Hello friends, welcome back to this tutorial series of Jetpack Compose, and in this tutorial we are going to learn about another effect handler, that is remember updated state. So let's jump to Android Studio and see it practically. So here I am in an Android Studio project where I have created a separate file, remember updated state demo, and I have uh, added few things here. So let me explain those one by one. So here I have just created a composable function, that is remember updated state demo. Here I have take a one name state, that is what let me first understand, tell you what we are going to achieve. So here we will be taking one text box, and here we will be writing some name, any name. I'll write my name, and here as soon as whenever the application has been started, then after 5 seconds of delay we will be showing the name here. Whatever the name we have added here in the text box, we should be able to show it here in the snack bar. Hi comma something name like hi Ashish. So this is what we are going to achieve in this sample tutorial. So for that I have taken one state, that is a name state. It is a mutable set of at the starting I have given value as an empty string, and I have created a stack bar host state, because as we want to show the snack bar, it's mandatory to create a snack bar host state. Here I just comes a layout part. Here it's a scaffold, and inside this is just I have assigned this snack bar host state to this snack bar host widget, and here I have taken a one column. So in this column I have just applied some modifier like a padding, and set it to fill max size. Here I have taken the one same text field, which is you are able to see it here. This is the text field I am referring to, and here I have in the value I have put the same name state here. So this is a by delegate. So if we hover on this one, this will be a string. So I just want to take this string from here, so and assign it to value here. That's why I have created this on value change, and whatever the new update value will be, it will be assigned to this name state. Here I have created a separate launch animation uh, composable function here. So what we are assuming that, let's say at the starting 5 seconds of delay will be there. So we are assuming that there might be something animation happening when we open the app, and after that we will be showing that toast. So for that I have just created this demo function launch animation, and here I am passing two parameters. First one is the snack bar state, because in this function we will be showing the snack bar, so that's why we need this snack bar post state. And another thing is a username, that is name state. Whatever the name we have entered here, that name should also be printed in the snack bar. So that's why I am passing these two parameters here, this function. And in this function what is happening, this function is accepting two parameters, and here I am putting a launch defect block, because I want to delay this for 5 seconds, and as this delay is a suspended function, launch defect will make it work easier. So and in that I have put a key as a true, and with a delay of 5,000 seconds. After this delay I'll be showing the snack bars with this function show snack bar, and whatever the message will be hi and hi comma, and whatever the name we will be entering here will be displayed here. So that is the expected here. Now let me run this application for now and show you how it's working for now. It's launching. Okay, sorry, it's launching on my own device, so I don't want that. I want to launch it on the emulator. Yeah. Now it is launched, and within 5 seconds I am just putting my name here, and after 5 seconds we will be seeing the snack bar here. Okay, we are able to see the snack bar, but there is an empty string here, hi comma, there is nothing gets printed here, because this username value is assigned as a null at the starting. And but even though we have put this value, still it doesn't get displayed in the snack bar. So how we can get this issue resolved? Okay, so that is happening because this launch defect block has a key as a true. So this launch defect block will only be triggered at the initial, and then it won't be re-triggered, because whenever this key changes, this launch effect block triggers again. That we have already seen our launch uh, effect handler tutorial. But this is not the case here. So as we are assigned a default a static value here, this will never be called again. So what could be solution for this one? Okay, the solution can be, we can just use this username as a key, and whenever this username changes, this launch effect block will be re-triggered. And now let's run again and see how it differs. Okay, I'll just put my name here and we'll wait for the snack bar. And yes, we are able to see the snack bar. But if you observe carefully that after it is not displayed just after 5 seconds when our application started, it got late. Why is that? Because this launch block will be re-triggered whenever there is any change in this state, and the 5 seconds will be calculated since I put type the last letter as H. So when I finish the finish entering the last letter here, then this block again relaunch at this this string state was changed, and then from that instant it delayed it by 5000 millisecond, that is 5 seconds, and then it showed a snack bar. If I again put something 1 here, then from 5 seconds onwards this will be again triggered, just like this one. Got it? But we don't want to do that. We want this snack bar to be showed only at once at the starting level when we are initializing the app, and that's it. We don't want to re-trigger it. But at the same time, we also want to use an updated value of the state. So how we can achieve that? So that's answer we get with the help of this remember updated state. So add this effect handler's name suggests it remembers the updated state, and we want exactly the same solution here. We want this state to be remembered. Whatever the updated value this state has, it should be remembered, and the updated value should be used without re-triggering this launch effect block. So how we can do that? I'll again assign a true value here, that is this launch effect block won't be re-triggered again. And instead of directly using this username, what I'll do, I'll put one updated name here, and we can do it like this one, remember updated state, and it asks for a new value here. So what new value we'll be using here? That is a username, and here instead of this username we'll be using this updated name here. So yeah, that's the only thing we need to do. Now let me relaunch the app, and let me show you what will happen. Before completing this 5 seconds, I'll just quickly type my name and just wait for 5 seconds, and after exactly, okay, we should refer it as a dot value, or we can use a by. Okay, now it will show correct name. Let me rerun again. I hope now you got what I wanted to show you. I just put the updated name here, and within the same 5 seconds we are getting our name. Whatever the name we have entered, we are able to get that updated name without re-triggering this launch effect block. Now if I put again something here, change the state, this launch effect block won't be re-triggered, and we won't be able to see the snack bar here as we were expecting, because it has been assigned a static value here. And during this 5 seconds before displaying of this show snack bar, before displaying of this snack bar, whatever the updated state till that instance is assigned to this name, this username, will be used as an updated state with the help of this remember updated state, and we are using that updated value here. That's why we are able to achieve the same behavior what we were going to expect. So yeah, that's it about this remember updated state effect handler. I hope now you have an understanding of how this effect handler works. If you still have some doubt or confusion or need clarification, then you can put your queries in the comment box below. I will try my best to answer those. Alternatively, if you want a more in-depth solution for any of your query related to Android development, then you can join AshishMobileDev's WhatsApp group. The invite link is in the description and in the first pin comment, so that you will get a chance to uh, interact with another similar like-minded developers, and you can also get a chance to directly get some suggestion or a query result directly from me. Again, if you like this video, then please click on like, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you will be notified whenever a new video is published. We'll meet in the next tutorial with some other interesting topic. Till then, goodbye.